In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people on a LinkedIn post. Tagging someone in a LinkedIn post is a simple way to mention a person directly, make your post more relevant, and help the right people get notified. This can be useful when you're giving credit, sharing a collaboration, or calling attention to someone involved in a project. The good news is that the process is quick and easy once you know where to click. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage. At the top of the page, you'll see the option to begin creating content. Click on Start a Post to open the Post Composer. This is the space where you can write your message, add context, and prepare the post before publishing it. If you already know what you want to say, you can begin typing right away. When you reach the point where you want to mention someone, type the @ symbol followed by the beginning of the person's first and last name. As you type, LinkedIn will automatically start searching for matching profiles. This is what creates the tag, so it's important to type the symbol first before the name. You usually don't need to type the full name, just enough for LinkedIn to recognize the right person. A drop-down list will appear with profile suggestions. Take a moment to look carefully and click on the correct profile from the list. This step matters, especially if several people have similar names. Selecting the right profile ensures the mention links properly to that person's LinkedIn account instead of just appearing as plain text. Once selected, the name will appear as a clickable tag inside your post. After that, finish writing the rest of your post as usual. You can review the wording, make sure the tag appears correctly, and check that everything reads naturally. If the tag doesn't look right, you can delete it and try again by typing the @ symbol and the person's name one more time. When your post is ready, click Post to publish it. Your content will go live with the tagged person included in the message. That's all it takes to tag someone on LinkedIn. This is a small feature, but it can make your posts feel more connected and professional. If you use it thoughtfully and make sure you're tagging the correct person, it's a great way to improve engagement and make your message more effective.